Good afternoon, everybody. Today is February 12th, 2015, and welcome to our live market analysis for the EUR/USD. I'm the Chief Technical Analyst here at HyperFX Academy, and I'll be walking you through some of the trade setups that occurred during the US session today. Now, on the chart, you're looking at a 5-pip Renko chart, and we simply have our HyperFX zigzag indicator on this. And we will be drawing trend lines, both horizontal and angled, and we will be showing you the setups using our basic HyperFX strategy here. Today was actually a great day to scalp the market. Our first entry occurred here, where we had our first up break. You can see that went for 5, 10, 15 pips. Actually, the break was right here, so that was a 10-pip move. Our next entry was on the downside here, right at this point here, and this was actually a great signal also here. This trade went for 5, 10, 15, 20 pips. 20 pips is a pretty significant move. If you're trading 10 standard lots, that could be potentially a $2,000 trade, on a larger account. And if you're trading on a smaller account and you're trading one lot, that profit is about $200, so still quite significant. So those are the initial two entries. After that, we had another horizontal break entry here. You can see clearly that this candle closed past this horizontal trend line, and that signals a buy entry on the upside, and that was a nice move as well at 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 pips. So again, a $250 profit, or $2,500 or more or less, depending on your account size. And then after that, we had another breakdown entry right here, and then a break up here. So you see that we had a sell signal here, and that went for 5 pips, and chances are you would not have taken your profits on that. And then as soon as you receive the opposite signal, which occurred right here, you want to close off this position and get into the opposite trade. Okay, and you can see here that you lost 5, 10 pips here, 15 pips, but then if you had just got into the opposite signal, you would have captured 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 pips. So if you do receive an entry, but then you get the opposite signal, you definitely want to exit that initial trade and get into the opposite trade. So it's a pretty non-dramatic day today, and easy to scalp the market. If we look at other entries that occurred, during the Asian session, I'll draw some of these entries out for you. We had a buy signal here. Let's see. This is a great buy trade here. And if you'd missed that opportunity, you had another up break here. And again, if you'd missed that, there's another horizontal break that I drew out for you before that. So I mean, there's plenty of opportunities, and we prefer trading the US session. As you can see, there's a lot more movement than that occurs during consolidation or later on, during the Asian session in the evening. So anytime after 3 a.m., the London Open is great to trade as well. We here trade the US session using 5-pip Renko boxes and angled trend lines along with horizontal trend lines. So you see here, this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trade signals we had. This signal we would have exited when we got the opposite. So 4 signals, each going for at least 15 pips. So a great day to scalp the market as well. Thank you for joining me today, guys, for the live market recap for the EUR/USD. I'll be joining you again tomorrow afternoon, where we'll look at another currency pair and cover the basic strategy here using the Renko chart along with horizontal and angled trend lines. Till then, happy trading. Thanks. Bye-bye.